Now if your skimmer is making this horrible sound, it could be that water has got into the air silencer. For example, if you overfill the sump the skimmer's in, the water will fill up the air silencer, and then the air silencer will make the skimmer anything but silent. So the easiest way to get that out is just turn the skimmer off, and then it squirts out. Then you just plug it back in again, like that, and then you unplug it again, and then it squirts out. And then you just plug it back in again, and then you turn it off, and it squirts out. And you just keep doing that until it's not noisy. So just plugging and unplugging the power should stop that sound of the silencer being not silent.